yesterday we won the competition. We worked hard for the costumes. Thanks to these two ladies, they are artists, so they had the ideas and we went along with them. And all the ceremony was very fun. So as you see, it's a great weather today. The sun is shining, the water is wonderful. We are really hoping to win this leg today and hopefully to win tonight in the dinner competition. We had very much surprises for tonight.